Okay, so in the admission form, when I try to fill the step, one of the step in the admission form like this, and I try to change the localization. Okay, what I fill in the field is empty or deleted or remove it after I change the localization. Okay, I check again. Computer science in the 2021 and I select here. Try to change the localization again. Okay, and what I fill in the admission form is removed or empty after I change the localization. The expectation when I fill the uh, question or the admission form and I change the localization, is still display in the. Okay, so this is not removed after I just check the localization.